Hello from Gervini. Today I'm gonna answer the most frequent question you asked me about HashingAdSpace. So first of all, HashingAdSpace is not like those click on advertising, we had in the past, and you get paid. HashingAdSpace is totally different. I'm gonna put the glasses on. We are minting as means that we are create a new coin. So if you want to know exactly how it works, here on my channel, I have an interview with the owners. Okay, I interview the owners, so you will see how it works. But we are here now just to get you up and running. Now that you are before the launch is free. If you haven't signed up, there is my link down the description. And today, as I speak, is the 28th of December. They will launch before the 15th of January, maybe in 10 days, maybe less. So you have the possibility now to get it free. If you're already in, I'm going to show you how to start. So as you log into your back office, the first thing you need to do is go in your profile here and set up your profile. Name, country, you can set up your secret PIN. You will use this PIN number to withdraw, okay? So once you have done that, the first thing you need to do, remember now you don't have to pay, you just do one click here and just see one ad. This is the action we do, this is the action proof we do to create the coin. So 7-second ad. You click here, so if I click here, they're gonna tell me that I already clicked for the past 24 hours. So as you can see here, I have a timer. Sorry, now it's refreshing the page. Let's give it a time because I'm recording. As you can see, I still have 15 hours. So after this timer goes down to 0, then I can click again to see one ad of second, and then they're going to reward me, okay? So this is the first thing you do. You go setting, profile, click on ad, okay? And see, and then after you refresh the page, in an hour, couple hours, you will get your money. We get paid in Azimi. Azimi are the coin we are mining, it's called minting, okay? So how do you withdraw, the money? So you go here, transaction, you go here, wallet, okay? And then you go withdraw funds. So and then I'm gonna show you right now what platform we use to buy and to withdraw money. So we use Waves platform. I'm going to put a link down here. There is no referral link. Waves platform is an exchange, decentralized exchange, the fastest decentralized exchange and the biggest decentralized exchange in the world. So the coin of HashingAdSpace Azimi is already listed in there, okay? So what you need to do is to, even if you're not comfortable with crypto, it's very easy here. You just go on this site. I'm going to put the link here. You're going to download. You choose your server, Windows, whatever, Mac. As you click here, you're going to upload here. It's going to upload here like anything, and then you're going to have an icon like this one. As you can see, like this one. You click on it. Sorry. You click on it. Then you open. You will put the password you have created. So it's very easy. Just a second, it's loading. As you can see, this is the Waves platform. Azimi is already inside, okay? So there are many coins like any other platform. So why they use Waves? Because HashingAdSpace has built Azimi with Waves. They have been working 10 months before the launch, okay? So in their blockchain. So what happens? We have the Azimi. On the day of launch, which is in less than days, the Azimi coin will be listed, and then the market will do the price. How much is the price, okay? So what you can do, Waves platform, on the contrary of all the other platforms, when you make a transaction, you pay a fee, but you don't pay a fee in Bitcoin. You pay a fee in Waves. So the first thing to do is to purchase a small amount of Waves. So for example, one Wave is just $3, and with this amount you can purchase in Bitcoin. I have another video which show you how to do it live. very easy. And then you purchase one waves, and with one waves you do more than 300 transactions. Okay, so it's really easy. Then once you have this platform you set up before before the launch, Azimi, we will use Azimi to withdraw our money. We withdraw the Azimi here, and then Azimi you will exchange it with Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin you can exchange them to euro, dollars. You can send them in another wallet that you have, no problem. So as you can see here, to receive the Azimi, you will click here and you will put your address. But then we have some other tutorials inside our back office. Your address will be put in here when you do the withdrawals. You will set up here, okay, wallet. And when you will have to withdraw, and we go straight, in your platform. This is your own platform. Nobody can hack it, because it's loaded in your PC, okay? And then from here you send it everywhere. Vice versa, for the new people who want to purchase new packages at the launch, we will have to purchase in Azimi. So people will send Bitcoin here, purchase Azimi, and then purchase inside the Azimi, the Big Mint package. So if you just go here, if you want to introduce new people in this special moment that there is a launch, you can go here, affiliate center, affiliate resource, you will click here, and then they will ask you to put a nickname, you will put your name, and they will create 4 links. I suggest you use the first link, exception on this pre-launch date. All the people that you introduce, even if we don't pay, every day when we do the action, we mint, we create coins. So you will get paid from me until the launch, 10% or everyone you let them here. You have the commission here, okay? For example, you have 125 coins in commission. After the launch, they will give you this commission here after 5 days, and you will do whatever you want. You withdraw it, you purchase a new mint package, is up to you. And on the contrary, then you have here whatever you mint here, because you didn't pay anything for the mint package. So just to let you know, a real mint package, because we have some people who already use the platform just to test the platform and has purchased this $100 mint packages, at this date brings from $6 to $7 a day. So let me remind you that the mint package, even what they will give you each day, can go up and down. Each package lasts 365 days. So you do the math, okay? So this mint package we have, it brings a little bit less to us, but it's free for us and we make money. And when it comes to the launch, on what we mine here, we can then repurchase a new mint package, which earns you more, and we draw every day after the launch. Every day we draw. And plus all the commission, they will give you all those commission at once, okay? Just 5 days after the withdrawals. So to summarize, as you get in, you sign up, you don't have to pay anything. So remember that after the launch, people will have to pay $30 just for the membership, and then the mint package costs $100, okay? So I will do another videos for the compensation plan, very simple compensation plan that we have starting from after the launch, okay? So summarize, you set up, you sign in, you set up your profile here, and first thing to do, click here and see 7-second ad. Then you will have the time, to upload waves. You don't know in a hurry, okay? The important thing is you upload waves before the launch, okay? And if you want to know how to purchase waves, I have my YouTube channel, one special video which is show you live when I purchase waves coin. I hope this helped you, and I haven't been too long. This is very easy. This is completely different. It's not something I've done in the past. We are really mining coins by watching, which is proof of work, watching the ad, and proof of stake, having the mint package. Okay, Thank you for Sergio, and see you next time.